alchemy gets tossed around a lot. But here at Pleasure Alchemy with Tony, Leah, and Shiloh, found completion with a lifelong mother wound where I was able to completely alchemize the good parts, the bad parts, the parts that made me icky, sicky, and didn't feel at the pit of my stomach, but also remembering the wonderful things and the good times. And it all came together in this one place. So I finally know how to live my life feeling motherly love for the first time in my life.
Here at Esalen was absolutely magnificent. Leah, Tony, and Shiloh were amazing facilitators, space holders, heart unifiers. As the leads of Pleasure Alchemy, they have created something truly special for you. I've been to retreats all over the world, and I have to say this is right there as one of the very best experiences you could do to feel true oneness with other beings and true deep loving connectedness with yourself. They brought in such a tender, sweet, uplifting feeling to each and every person. And I have deep reverence for the work that they did and deep appreciation and gratitude. It is truly a transformational program.
A culture stifle feelings. My mother, my parents, my siblings, my co-workers, my teacher kept telling me, stop talking, stop speaking up. So for so many years, the feeling has been suppressed. Here, this is a place I can feel. I learned how to feel. I learned how to speak how I feel. This, what this course about did for me. And now I can feel a lot better.
Like my sweet little brave, innocent, joyful little girl came out.
I first was in the first circle with the teachers and they were introducing themselves, and they didn't really give any background as to why they were qualified. And then by the end of the class I realized someone else that they truly embody the material and what they do. Many things or that many things. That was just the paradigm that I'm from, that that you give this laundry list of why you're capable of doing something. So it taught me a whole new way to think about people and leaving, like, sometimes, right, when you think, like, if you think it's a little judgy, you probably are being a little judgy. So that was so beautiful for me, and just to allow myself to open up in the presence of other people that, they're quite sneaky how they do things, because it just happens. And then you realize how much they're doing in the background. And then it's even more impressive, the amount of teamwork and interconnectedness that they have, and that they've done their own work before they're sharing it with others. So that's what's really unbelievably evident in this class. And it's beyond words what it's brought to me. New friendships, new connection with myself, new connections with my partner, about why you might want to come and have this experience for yourself.